Hey everyone, so today we are going to explore the lead gen functionality of Jeeva. So as soon as you log into the platform, right, on the home page, you will see a lead gen option. So lead gen is our means of finding leads to different means, to different cards, which eventually help you to build a list to which you can reach out to by enriching it with their email addresses, with their LinkedIn profile, with their phone numbers, and then all the other details. Now the first card under lead gen is find leads. Now, once you click on find leads, right, it will show you different filter options, which helps you to kind of filter out and create a lead leads. So the use case over here is that every member from sales team, right, they want to create a pipeline or kind of a prospect lead to which they want to kind of do a outbound reach out or just cold reach out, do a cold calling or send them emails or basically chase these leads. That's where this lead gen option comes into picture, which helps you to create a lead list. Now, in lead gen, there are different filters that are available. For example, you can type in the job title you are going up to, for example, head of sales. Then you can enter, let's say, sales director or any other filter that you feel comfortable with, or any filter that you want to chase. You can simply enter that. Now, if there are any job titles that you want to exclude from your lead, right, is something that you will enter over here. For example, let's say intern. Apart from that, if you are looking at like a designation like a seniority or XCXO level folks only into your lead list, right? Then you can kind of filter those in as. For example, I'm only looking to reach out to vice president seniority level. That's where I will enter this keyword. Now, let's say that you already have certain companies which are logged into your CRM, or they are captured as your website traffic, right? That's where you can simply create that company list, get it into an Excel sheet, and simply upload that list over here. So what Jiva will do is we will simply upload that list here, and once you enter the designation, will help you to find keywords within those that set of companies. Or you can simply type it in any simple job title. For example, let's say Google, sorry, the company name, and you can simply select that company from here. You can also enter domain, and we will be able to find leads for you within that company. Now, if there are any companies, any existing clients that you want to exclude from your lead list, right, you can either enter their name or you can upload their list. Also, if there are certain regions, right, that you are targeting, any sales team member, right, they have, let's say, California as their region, Texas as their region, or UK as their region, that contact location is something that you can enter over here. For example, I'm looking to chase folks who are only in United States. So I will simply put that contact location. Any contact location that you can want to exclude will be selected over here, and you can exclude that. Now, coming to the industries point, right? So if there are any specific industries, let's say you are into cybersecurity, your services solve some problems in the cybersecurity space, right? That's where you can simply come in over here and enter any industry which is basically aligned with your services over here. And let's say this is a static list, but if let's say if there are any keywords which are not available in the industries drop down, it's something that you can enter in industry keywords. So industry keyword is like a plain text field, helps you to enter any sort of keywords that are related to any of your industry over here. Now, if you are looking to target any mid-sized companies or enterprise companies, company headcount helps you to kind of target those companies from you. Now, again, there are some advanced filters that you can go after. So, if there are any particular lead that you are trying to search about it, right, is something that you can enter in the lead name. If there are any departments, right, let's say as part of cybersecurity, I'm only looking to reach out to folks who are in the IT segment, right? The department, I will simply pick that uh, information technology drop down option over here. And then there are certain other filters such as company headquarter location, any technology that you want to target. Let's say I want to target only those members who use Salesforce, right? I can simply enter that technology over here and add that. Again, if there are any revenue criterias that you want to target, for example, any company who earns more than 1 million as a revenue, right? It's something that you want to target, or anywhere between 1 million to 250 million. is what you can simply select here. So depending on the revenue growth of the company, you can decide if you want to reach out to those folks or not. Then there are other filters such as their yearly headcount growth and funding. If there are Series A, Series B funded startup, you can simply pick that. Now, once you enter all the filters available over here, you will be able to see your list like a preview. And once you are okay with the list, you can click generate leads, which will take you to a page which will show up your lead list. From here, you can go ahead and rename your lead list. Then there are two options which are available over here. You can directly enroll all these leads into a campaign so that you can start the automated email reach out, LinkedIn reach out from here, or you can schedule them for an enrichment so that you get their information such as their work email, their cell phone, their LinkedIn profile summary, any technology stack they use. So once you schedule it, we will kind of take 5 to 10 minutes and help you to enrich that list. And apart from that, let's say you quickly want to simply enrich a particular lead and get their phone number, you can select that lead, you can enrich them from here. So, enrich now is something that you will use to quickly get the information. And then there are other options such as exporting the list as well for your personal use, or you can simply connect it to your CRM, which allows you to kind of take this data and dump it into your CRM. So that's how the lead gen functionality simply works.